Welcome to 2213 View Ridge Drive, a stunning property perched on the crest of Alabama Hill in Bellingham, Washington. Here you'll enjoy sweeping city and bay views, all while being steps away from nature and city conveniences. This beautifully designed home offers single-level living upstairs featuring refinished original hardwood floors that radiate timeless charm. The kitchen boasts sleek quartz countertops, perfect for meal prep or entertaining, while modern LED lighting adds both ambiance and efficiency. Your primary suite is a private retreat, complete with a custom rain shower, radiant heated floors, and spa-like luxury that makes every day feel like a getaway. Downstairs, you'll find a versatile separate apartment with a kitchenette, laundry hookups, and room for a stove and fridge, along with 2 bedrooms and plenty of room for storage. Step outside and enjoy the fresh air from your expansive deck, the perfect spot to soak in those breathtaking westerly views.